Oh man. Gracias. Come on, Daniel. Okay, so I got myself a chicken tender sub. This whole pregnancy, I haven't really had any cravings, but lately, I don't know, one day I just randomly decided to get a sub, and I've been getting one like almost every day ever since. So that's my new unlocked craving. I am a very plain Jane kind of girl, so all I put is the tender, provolone cheese, lettuce, and ranch. That's it. And boy, let's do a taste test here. Now that's what I'm talking about. Also, this might be an unpopular opinion or controversial, but like, why everywhere I go, I have to talk in Spanish? Don't shoot me, guys. But like, I know this is Miami and everything, and it's very like diverse. But damn, I don't be wanting to talk Spanish everywhere I go. You know what I'm saying? And since it's so like Hispanic here, everyone just assumes you speak Spanish. And I do speak Spanish, but I'm not that comfortable in it. This thing is so good, I can't even think. Where are we going, Daniel?
Park.
You want to try it?
No.
It's chicken.
I can't.
Fun fact. This little kid is just like me. When I was little, I wouldn't eat anything. If it wasn't chicken nuggets or pizza, don't offer it, because I would go to restaurants and there would be nothing I liked on the menu. Like, even if it was chicken, but it wasn't breaded, I wasn't eating it.
Hi.
Danny. This nigga just rolled down the window and said hi to some random poppy. I know I'm eating probably really disgusting right now, but I'm so hungry.
So many
And
straws.
I found out that I had anemia at my last doctor's appointment, so I like literally can't go one day without Coke. And if you know me, you know that I used to drink strictly water, like no juice, no soda, no nothing. I'm not trying to sound better than anyone, but that's just how I was, you know? I was a little healthy queen, even though I was still a fat fuck. Daniel, you want to say something to everybody?
Say everybody, yeah.
What do you want to say?
At Christmas. Happy Christmas. My name is Santa.
You're not Santa.
My name is Santa. My name is Santa.
This was supposed to be
I will say hi.
come with us at the park video, and it turned into me eating real quick. Do y'all ever get that feeling where you just feel like you need to do something?
You do something
Like, really quick?
quick.
And by something, I mean like a business idea or something. Like, I want to do... excuse me. I want to have a business that I don't need to show up every day for. You know what I mean? Daniel likes chicken butt. Oh.
Danny don't like it. Danny's sad.
Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all. Bye. I'll make another video because I'm too gassy right now.